Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create custom image styles with personalized profiles. If this video will help you out, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then from now, let's start with this tutorial. Alright, first of all, if you want to use the custom image styles with your personalized profiles, you need to know that you built that personalized profile on Midjourney itself. So if you go to personalize, and then maybe this one is off for you, but you do this one on, you can create your standard profile in the beginning. I already did that, so that's why it's standing global profile. But first of all, click create your standard profile, and then you need to tap on 40 pictures. Let's see. Now, you always need to choose between two. Now, I like this one more, I like this one more, and this one more. And you need to do this for 40 pictures. Then after that, you unlock your personalized profile. And then after that, Midjourney knows the pictures that you like. So right now, if you go to tasks, rank image aesthetics, you can go further if you want to. So create a massive ranking account. So Midjourney gets it's more specifically when you want to create a prompt with your personalized profile, so they can give you better options. But this is how you can build your personalized account. Now, for now, what does that mean? If we go now to Discord and we copy exact this same prompt, and we do /imagine and then the prompt, and then do paste, and then we do --p, you will see that when he will create this picture, that it's totally different than just in regular. Now, this code is our personalized profile, but right now he's creating the file for us, so we need to wait a little bit. Now, if you can see, here it is. He is now ready, and look at those aesthetics, guys. It's crazy. Look how sharp, look who, it's crazy to see this. Now, there's one thing that I need to tell you again, because if you do /imagine, and then do create a lion in the wild, and then --p, you can also do --ash, and that means the strength of your personalized account. Now the minimum is 1 and the maximum is 1000. So let's see, if we do 500, he will create now again this picture, but then with a higher strength of our personal style. So these are the things that you need to know. Hopefully I could help you out. And then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.